Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let us learn how to use conditional rendering in React using ternary operator. So open the folder in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, go to src folder, create a new file, conditional rendering. I have already done it. Okay, click this one. So use the snippet rf React functional component expert. So this will create a functional component. Okay, so this functional component will accept a prop is logged in GGEDIN. Okay, so this is the boolean prop. Okay, so it can have a value of true or false. So first we will check the value of the prop. So if the value, since it is a boolean value, we have true or false. If the value is true, then first string will be rendered, returned. Otherwise, if it is false, second string will be returned. So within the first string, here I will type welcome. In the second string, I will type the string please log in. Save it. Okay. Now we will mount this functional component in app.jsx. So go to app.jsx, type CONDI conditional rendering. So you can see here dot conditional rendering. So when you click it, the component will be imported. Okay, you can see the import statement here. Now type /greater than. So the component is mounted. Okay, but we will not get any outputs here because we are not passing any value here. So pass a prop name is logged in. Okay, I will pass initial value of false. So if the value is false, okay, let us see what happens. Is logged in false. If it is false, we will get the message please log in. Now save this file, start the server is started. Go to the browser. So you can see here please log in. Now if we come to the app.jsx, instead of false, if I give true, okay, so now I will get a different message. I will get the message welcome Karnataka. So let us verify. So come to the screen, welcome Karnataka. So this is conditional rendering. If it is true, I will get first string. If it is false, I will get the second string. So this is how we handle conditional rendering in React using a ternary operator. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.